Hi, in this video, we are going to practice Python program using ChatGPT. So let's get into the video. Today is a day 3. So the coding challenge, the program is to find the largest number in a list. So we have given a list and we have to find the largest number. So this is most commonly asked in the question also, and also that question may be asked like second largest number also, then we can discuss later. So this type of common coding test, and to check if you know how to work with loops, okay, and comparisons and lists, okay. So let's get the hints about this. So start with first number as the largest, okay. First we have to think it is the largest number and go through each number in the list one by one. If you find the number bigger than the current one, and update it, and at the end the variable will hold the largest number. Okay, let's create a file. Day 3, largest number in list. Okay, create a function. So it like still find largest number. We have the numbers and we have to go to first we have to let a number of the first number. So like for example, current is equal to numbers of 0. 0 means it is like a first index. So then we have to iterate for each number, right? For example, let we have to print it, right? Print find largest number, and this is the list, and output will be 8. So first we have thinking that 3 is the largest. See here here current is as like 0. So first element is 0. Next we have to think that compare. We have hint is like go through each number in the list one by one, and if you find the bigger than the current one, then update it. So if num is greater than current one, then we have to update the current one, like current is equal to num. If not, else is written else condition. Next we have to return current one. So let's try to run this function. So here it is a 8. We can also find from the run and debug function to find step by step which is going to taking the steps by giving this point. Click to add a breakpoint, right, to find the debug. Next, let's see how function is going there. It is explaining that by like starting with 3 and checking with 3 is greater than 7. Yes, it is greater than, so it is updates the biggest, and 7 is greater than, no, it is 7 is still bigger, and 7 is greater than 9. Yes, sorry, 9 is greater than 7. Yes, and 9 is greater than 5. No, so it is still bigger. Then final answer is 9. Yes, here the program I have written same as like that. Like for example, first number, okay, and if number is greater than largest, like I used current, then I have to update and return. Next, so here I have used the loop because checking each and every one by using condition. But as extra practice, think of you can solve it like a built-in. Normally we can do like we can name for example loops by loops, and next we can go to like yes max function, like return max of numbers. then directly returns a max of the number. Next, so I have given to that like give the approaches with simple explanation. So yes, here I have used like manual comparison by checking each and every element which is greater than as I did above. So like it's best for interviews because it shows the understand logic step by step. Okay. Next we have used the built-in function max to find the maximum. Python already has the built-in that directly gives the largest, fastest and cleanest but does not shows the logic. Okay. By using sort. So another method is also by sorting, right? By using sorting. So we have to keep the numbers as sort and we have to return the numbers of we have sorted from the ascending order. So we have to return last element. Then it is also gives the largest of the element. I think we also use like for example wait a second. Shit. Okay. So normally like numbers sort we have to give n is equal to sorted sorted of numbers and we have to return same as like this also like this and try to run. Yes, it is also working. Yes. Next, by using reduce functional programming. Okay, so we have to import the reduce function and use by using lambda same as like loop. If it is greater than b, then give that numbers that will be here. Keep the comparing two elements at the time one last element is left. Okay, it is not I think mostly not common for the beginners and not mostly asked. It is like advanced. Next, using recursion, it is most asked I think so, but not needed in real-time interviews unless they specifically ask. Okay, so we have to find the numbers from the recursion by doing this by checking from the one element each and every time. So we have to return the number of 0 if by checking like here we have to importing same as like this here else uh, we have to give the largest element, so by using recursion. So in the summary best in the normal is like this because it is built in, but for the best in interviews we have to use the loop. So yes, here also saying that reduce is also like extra knowledge not mostly expected. Okay, let's go to the yeah today our program is to find the largest by using loops, max, built-in function and sorting also, and we can also use by the recursion by just checking in the return that if n of 0 like first element if n of 0 is greater than then give that we have to update, if not we have to return the normal largest number. That's really good. So yes, this over. Let's go to the day 4 challenge. Day 4. Yes. Then you can also understand that okay, next program is to count the vowels in the string like AIVO. So we can discuss in the next video. Thank you for all being. So I'm also improving, and I'm also thinking that we have to remove the Google Copilot in that GitHub Copilot in the VS Code. So I will do that. Okay. Thank you for all.